All right, y'all. We are currently going to meet up with my boy Rack. Like I told y'all, as y'all knew already, because I told y'all we was linking up with my boy Rack. Crazy accident right here, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what happened. I want to be nosy. Bro, she just got rear-ended by a semi-truck. And she about to get a check. I ain't gonna even lie, she about to get a check. She playing her crazy. Woo, this car pulled, boy. Yeah, this is police in front of me. What is up, y'all, man? As y'all saw, we just recently took pictures, and now y'all appeal. We drive over here to Lake Lanier, probably gonna take some more pictures. There's not really much going on today as far as things to do, so we just kind of make our own stuff to do, you know what I'm saying? Get footage, get clips, drive around, and just really live life, man. Really just live life. We are definitely taking advantage of this rain, I'll tell you that right now. If it's wet on the ground, traction off. Because I told y'all already that I do need tires, and I have yet to still get tires, bro. So, parks will close at capacity. Expect long waits. So over here, y'all, is like Lake Lanier. This water, this is not for you to swim in. This is not for you to get in. This is not none of that. This is for looks only. And we almost just maxed out. I would have went in the grass before I maxed out. I ain't gonna lie. I would have been all the way over there and came around or did something. Cause boy, look, they just now put on a blinker. Like, bro, what? Woo. That boy got a pool. But yeah. This water at Lake Lanier, guys, is not meant for you to swim in. Don't put your boat in it, a jet ski. Don't put nothing in it. I can roll. Oh, let me slow down because the speed limit 52 miles 30. Look at this, y'all. Y'all about to see the beautiful view of the lake, obviously. Don't get me wrong, it's nice out here. But that water, bro, look up, guys. If you're not from around here in my area, look up Lake Lanier. If you look it up, you'll see, bro, like, no, sir. Not a place to be. But it looked good. Some people on the boat out there already. And look, y'all saw that random floaty, bro? Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. Hope everybody okay. Well, I'm about to see if Sunday. It is a summer. Look at all them people. It's crazy. We should go fishing. This road will be so fun to like go fast on, but it's just too much risk. But that's also what makes it fun. I'm not gonna lie. Dang, that water look nice. I know some people who done went real fast on this road. But we about to go down here to this one spot. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Bet. 7 to 10, no firearms or weapons allowed. Oh, okay. Don't worry. If it's somebody at this gate, I'm not paying to get in. Oh no, it's nobody there. But like more in the summer, there'll be people at this gate and they'll be like, oh, you gotta pay. I'm not paying nothing. I'm familiar with this road, so that's why I'm going so fast. Racky is slowing. He like, hold on, I'm not going that fast, bro. I don't know where I'm at. I feel it though. And if the park ranger come, I'll just be like, what? We leaving right now? Because we're not about to be away from the cars. We're about to do more content with the cars, obviously. They put so many freaking speed humps. Probably for people like me, huh? They're like, yeah, put a speed hump. Bro, also, y'all may see me do some wild and crazy stuff or like dumb stuff, as some people would say. But, bro, I only do stuff in my skill level. I don't do anything outside of my skill level at all, ever. Dang, there's way more people down here than I wanted it to be. Way more people than I wanted it to be. Hold on, let me talk to Racky real quick. Oh boy, this thing sounds so good. What the heck? Speed limit 25 when flashing. Not right now. Oh, it's a speed limit camera right here. Oh crap, don't come out now. You stay right there, young lady. I love this car, y'all. Yeah, I freaking love this car. Look at the way the sun's shining on that carbon. Oh, I need some gloves, y'all, because I want my hands to mess up the acting data. The acting data. I hope y'all can hear. I had the windows down. Bro, aren't y'all so happy it is freaking summer, bro? Man, that's a nice house. I'm so freaking happy it's summer. It was about time to be summer. And they built some new houses over here. Yo, I hate one-story houses. Oh my goodness. Freaking hate it. Those aren't bad, but not my style. 600K for those. I at least need a basement. If I get a basement for that, I'll pay 600K. Y'all, I want a house so bad. If y'all want to vlog where we go house shopping, let me know. We can go house shopping. Comment down below right now. Y'all want a house shopping vlog? We'll go house shopping. Because there's a couple houses I've been looking at that I have in mind. So just let me know. Daddy. You know who the Verbal Daddy is around here, boy. Stop playing. I'm the Verbal Daddy. A Verbal Daddy. Oh my goodness, that is so funny, bro. Verbal Daddy, bro. What is wrong with me? That is so funny. Dang, they built a lot of new houses back here, y'all. This used to all be nothing. I wish I had a video. Bro, I wish I started YouTube years ago when I was with cars, man. Back in 2018, I wish I was consistent on my YouTube grind. Like, but I ain't gonna lie, in 2018, I wasn't even really, it wasn't even 2018, it was 2016. But in 2016, bro, I really was not watching YouTube, bro. I knew I wanted to be a YouTuber, but I never took initiative until now. Sometimes though, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I wonder where I would be if I like took YouTube more serious or just did YouTube back then. Honestly though, a lot of car YouTubers who was popular, because at that time who was popular, I don't know, just never mind, I ain't gonna say no names, but a lot of people who was popular in 2016 are not that relevant right now when they were in their prime in 2016, you know what I'm saying? So I would have been doing YouTube for 10 years in 2 years if I started in 2016. Dang, they rebuilt all the houses? That's crazy. We're gonna go down here. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Rocky, pay attention, buddy. Oh, damn, the shop's open. Oh, I wish that shop wasn't open right there. Oh, I wish that shop wasn't open right there. I don't want the police called on me. Freak. I was gonna slide, but it's open right there. Oh yeah, they're calling the cops. I can look at her too. Yeah. I'd rather be safe than sorry. She is gonna call the police on us immediately. Actually, we're gonna go back. Yeah, we're gonna go back to where we go. F90 looks so mean just approaching you. I don't know where we're headed, y'all. Turn back on the camera when we get to wherever we're going.